alleges news beba Bawumia akwaba ahade ni tz hot news nkwa enamede bremo enuti so nyan subscribe ya bomori ase over subscribe to the channel do be am say over click the subscribe button now wa belly notification we understand video be upload on the first person that was sabika video afi Bawumia na wa like video give us a thumbs up na afi share of so na we will be here that will who and some and also ewo yana memo ha afi yebura eye and some abeto ye proso yiti eye sa report ya abeto ga yiti sanse yiti
ba ku biem to obi se wo ye ropa wonya nipa obetumi ehuru nipa ma wensu de ni bebre ayi na status ba ku ya National Cathedral was to be officially commissioned on March CC and also the Abbey. So me money town ka crack.
Babe. Now I don't know. Say ayi e galide. Ken Ofori Atta de ko kayo. I say we better be year no. No already budget.
Sure.
And we say 6 March 2024 you have a commission in Cathedral.
And it was a family.
Say video crowd. I walk at her. You know, Edru so na me say, hey, and Papa the refi, my main kaino. And na me kaino.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, was September 2024. And then we are the event commission in November as I got to Havana. So what would the latest swimming pool in town?
And Crawford say international standard the crack Olympic athletes number to me could train
and then we go training.
Hey,
we go swimming training.
Minya time na nka me ba ye be video ye.
Oh, ebi abeye 4:30 mu hodum no. Na ewia na perform kakra. We go training.
Emu wo.
Manya microphobia omucho omnim kwa kwa yetu mi no ndi ye be kwa kwa mi.
Emu wa o.
Ye be mi. Na ta me wonim say ye voter boy there. Wonim say mi
Anyway. What there quick one before you go. Enough is enough. The mo and this amanyoko ni ye. Nene nansa. Pressing home their demand say there should be a forensic audit our voters register no emu. Movement for change move for us na say mu de mu hu say voter register na hu so saint
yeah for 100%. The day before the mono na me frabera honorable Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng na wa granting interview I would say forensic audit in there of what supply the letter commission to me because elections, electing a president is a process. And the first process, it's a registering system. It is a, you identify, say, na Obietimatina constituency, I transfer NIPA over 300. At the Apo, 300 or 3,000, I'm the 300. That's how your money, no, what you must suspend more district office and there, and yeah, let's say, as I said, it is registered here. In actual fact, the monarch has a mere brother can be Kobu. Let's say this year, Anna Amame anti me uncle. Enough is enough. Yes, support to work 100%. He did your muya in connection with the register, said the Bayer Benyak credible register. No, the support because I'm with 8 years ago, I was having the same view. Register and then your papa. And then you could be by your friend, let my vote count. Let my vote count, you know. Yeah, the Tenassi, the buy. And the master can chamber. What move and the best say, Jackie, I make it final authority say, wait and the panel. And go by any president you nominate you. No one can fetch no. One can fetch it, nobody happen. Me say that did not happen in this country. Everybody will have confidence in the institutions.
Yeah.
And then Obo eyipe wait ye ni jide wa GP mu because a party be time and the appointed. Na say a second chamber of parliament in appointed somebody there a non-partisan. Eti over then waka say we know we jira home party way and at party way. What you mean get that? Eti about so order from above no. That was and no and the GD baba. Eti yes chese would be support to a young one pa say mete say Nana B say electoral commission got or yeah yipa on to court. Hey. Won't come back to 2016. Now more retrieval.
You are watching GC News on YouTube.
Yes, someone here can register who now move on Magana Bunji. When you say more archives, more I will more come back. More retrieval. Now with your momo. That kind of work ain't here. I don't know about now with all this, now maybe Saturday. Sadi we buy money please cancel for Akata on this register issue. They should not be interested in say that Sabere is former Bishop of Mabel side peace apodo. I don't know a pen and paper and Fashema and Fashema near Ede Asumdena that Sabebano and Lunie. Edi asem no money electoral commission attack. When na etise wo more interest ekomu more. Muntu anamo kokota position na electoral commission afa no. Muntu omofo. Say ye Ghana for your taxes are yetua and ye difi omoka. Who be na dia mo so mo ya independent no. Enya ewiem ana omo yesa independent no omo ya independent e magana po eje so mo tie obi a no mo ye de eja sumje beba na mo trate na mo anye na mo ti wono mo ta man for ma metin san peace accord sa peace accord number sign no e ye bogus because what sign ni timunu what obi a prane say obi chitie but one thing I want to assure everybody is that 2016 and years to register in Chile. Now register in Jafra, bloated in the Ekaika Hunino. And Luna Akufo Addo do win here with a difference of 1 million votes. And I'm a the judge in Romanga to Devi, and you go for the win of Gradian YouTube. You go to train and register for Ubiana Richard. The way I got a fire margin is or move the change, change it at the battle, who be the hope to marry about the Mamma. Yeah. Opiandi ho. Eti the American and say, Kwame, Ghana po. Mu wute, mu ankasa bunia. Alam for Kojo Kyeremanteng. Eti ta the master key. Odi be bie puno. Ama Ghana. Ye ho asane yen. Ama Ghana. Ye nkoso etima kodi ye. Be say, Ebra owie ne series no with the FDI for no. Ewrade. Embro for no. Me who be that? Wow. Kese, what you say? Wo mo ku bi bisronko. Anna Walker, Ebro Kokoya ambassador in US for just 2 years.
You are watching GC News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
What you say? That Western Union and the Adigrano, or create Ghana version. Anyway, the Cathedral. The successive ye estimate for us. The Ghana get the problem.
Also, the Ukraine, in a minute. Running mate, no, as Uncle for say, woman said, Nimuno, and said, Ebimu outdoor more running mate, Kumase, Kotun for no trouble, both Jawa Prempeh, a Ebinzu to the Cape Coast, Ugwa, and ye fanfare near the Cathedral. No, dear, say, him Mumpem once and one.
Yes, I have a pangata, and I
Ah, sir.
Oh, you see, never be a Hodoma. Bible cracker. There, you are dealing at home and say, "Jadi na na day." Baby, I true. We are not dealing with fanfare. A serious business. Now, running mate na ya you know. Alan ka say, "What about the people way no for the youth?" No, I can who be say, Alan when ya constitution na ya be amendment no. You be amend the age udra ubeti the president. 40 years is too high. It's too high. Okay? Open vice presidential candidate, also open youth. What they are 40. I mean, what kind of a you know? And see, Alan be amend the constitution, president or the perform age in Angata de minimum, but we are chosen. Or Vice President, as is how we have to say, Member of Parliament, only 21 years, what to become Parliament. No, I can't also over 21 years. Just imagine say what 25-year-old, how a Vice President will grow magic. When do we need to and I may say, more man and quiet, no matter stand about grow magic. And yet, who traveler. 40 years. Yes, oh, what do you have to Usa? Meanwhile, constitution is only 40 years. I'll bet you my deal. You want your papa is 50 something, your papa is 60 something, 70 something, and in the account. We need to amend it and give the youth the opportunity. And in Anna, Alan, a papa youth, a branch here, a year, Kwabi also, Danzu, 1 year, a branch here, what give 40 years. And if for no, and what did it for my youth? Say Ghana for any 2 mission yenta. Did you say or youth related program? Our beya ever benefit the youth of this country.
Hot news all time.
And that's what the president within 3 years, a Ghana changing completely. Just imagine say what the 4 years now, why Jama the vice say uncontested. That time no did 44 years, now 44-year-old, about be the president of Ghana. The youth of the country will be empowered. And this is a young guy, or a trained journalist, or a qualified lawyer, or a musician, and a footballer. Post of Muye. If you are almost sample size in the Grand Road 8,000. The sample size in route 10,000. Nipa 17 million at the Koto. It is a winning anti-bank Kokrana, a 15 million there. Yet it was on
Sure.
Now, Kokopa 8,000 other Vijahana, when I didn't do when I did. Hey, Babiamo, I'm telling you, Ashanti region, Allah is going to get between 30 to 35% of the Ashanti votes.
Sir?
Mena make a show. Yedimajuma ya on the ground. Eti push there. I am a Sebia Adam Matria. How can someone share my monitor one particular movie? Every piano, there's a baby wapegi Alan Kosro or Mafo. How can that be? What every man do a pool. How do I peg no? There's apart from the two duopolino. Obokodo Mabano. Alan is static. Just say, oh, move, and I'm look at this. Some property or morning before December 7th. Because I'm not for who is almost credible. Minia, I Cape Coast Apache. The Friday now, Orange Friday. It's so beyond all Cape Coast to be able to 35 to 80. How people were telling Allah a whole movie, no two kind, no the Ghana. But the whole Cape Coast, everybody upper fronto. And what you heard of was it day? What if I was a day? Che, who said there? You see, Alan, a tactician, what the politics and I say. Well, who said, your man there also in the political parties, and function. There will be a police station executive. And you might be way. Or it is a PDB Baha Besorry, you know, Jane Koso. So, that is adopt a new system of campaign. Police station, the police station executive TV, constituency executive TV, regional executive TV, and yet directly voter contact kind of touches. Ma, make me you know, and to Honum. What make me, I use so after the starting. So, you know, who, hey, Anna, you who's the warrior,
Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Allah is solid on the ground. And so push love we are there. Obonkoso. That day, University of Ghana for Omoyomuye. Some say there's going to be a runoff. But we started there. December 7th. There's going to be a runoff. Huh? Because not meaning the above. Meaning the above. Meaning the match. But say, this election will be of the culture say there's going to be a straight win on the, a pro. There's going to be a runoff. The runoff on Alan Kyeremanteng. But there are no two ways about that. No two ways about that. Alan Kyeremanteng will be picked of the runoff. The God of Ujinayum Bechiwo, hey, the banity, we pay very saketi, when candidate look how the fire money there. Allah is not going to bash anybody. Say, Mama Bishop has in here, your mamma, no, it will not happen.
Now, wait a minute, you know, may hear status here, WhatsApp status. Now, I'm running Anopano, 10:30 a.m. yesterday. Video be out the two on a minim baby ana monam a domino ubehu bakwa wo hye eche white on the way ni mu last person ni de wu ekono ha na ye he no
ori yokumate kumate
hey and o postulate is a percentage no.
Okay. Oh, I am telling you, say, look. What was that of now? 99.9%. I am confined to free NPP. I'm free NPP. And still, a lot of them are coming. You see, because your committee, I'm catching on that. That public show, and we are defeated. My age be that. It is a amount for bar. Let us receive them quietly. They work underground quietly. Now, for them to go and do press conference, oh, and you're free, we should stop it. Because it is not going to be a good strategy. Because we are Sanano. Amount for Betima Factory, the Betima coin tied to Omote, what the Ajaxe, Yafumukra, Momrabat. And it will be Nate or Yajuma. How would the person know? How the papa see that is all friend about? Across the country, men are make a choice there. As someone will can make Jimmy. Would you Ghana food the way our elections to the before? Or more president or Montiman coin, any idea or Montiman Valley. A lot of them are planning to come out and support our man. This year, they were so happy. Those FDI for foreign direct investment for or more program. I'm so more yama candidate no. And or Mushia Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng. I just say, or man no, Emma speech kaka. What try to bisa the question no ye. But say, me say wash me Mr. La. Me Alan ko baby a ya mentra me no. Ong. Ati make sure e bi ani panachi na ma papa trans na me monota na ma na me fe tenesi ko. No bu bisa the question me. the way I was see no which not go emrofo no near you also be go I don't know what papa way deep and I'm saying what improphobia the gaba who bizarre is who bizarre graduate the way I don't to papa so who say or monte adenate but we to papa a bad economizer what you say and I'm say unim me say yeah enra and what you take kadoma ni bia chete me who say eh na papa sa wo ye deep sa Niama papa ya ye wada brabo mu pa chete yeah want me and like as a Geneva kate me jamanum o de de no o di ben jana numu no papa de ti be nyata de no e no pe na have you ah ba mi amo o ni mu say Information Services Department and the Minister of Information. What is Allah Negredi?
Oh, sir.
When I'm a catcher.
Wow.
Under Jerry John Lawrence, that I'm senator to be question Allah. I know more money, yes, I did not create Information Services Department. I just want Bosso that we have a matia, Nanka Binimuda. What is the African Super League? What is Allah Negredi?
And also
African Super League. Juma papa yaje pa wona bra bomua one come my Ghana folk with this is the man men ya mika nyina ne say omo omudi mala no they know who he is and I am telling you the people are getting the message. Galamsey koka ni ade nyina no ana yente say ya to Ghana 42 million is eno ano no wo say wo hwe eye yemra na ansase wo krom ha no eya hempo ne dia all right but eba ebu agodia get ahempo no nka ho I don't know that for your president and they are saying that so Alan said oba amende article 27 article 5 I don't know. What's up, amended article 257 or 6, you know? No, I establish a traditional authority as a co-trustee with the president in respect of all mineral rights in Ghana. And then, excellent, yes, you good be what I just be a president is a president in any DNG. President through the Minerals Commission, lands, Minister of Land, what to be issue a Forestry Commission, what to be issue, Baha, never go to good, Baha never go to good. Alan said, say, Ghana former the Tumia, whatever the traditional authorities, you know, and you co-trustee. It is a president, the council or Ma will be crying, and what way more. I said the traditional authority there, no, to agree with the president before say you bet him amount license. Give me a better. Do you think it's a illegal mining? Yes, say yapaye, yes, sensuno. Who is ever battle? Because for him who say, baby, I'm on the common panel, will wrap you more, one penny. Who which a more quack say you are, one penny. It's I don't know. That's a man. And you can say, you've been responsible mining. If anywhere close to a river, close to a forest, will be uncle Honoa, Milia, Ghana, you before you. Say, what I say, the two say, a man can Mabawa, or more, yes, I don't know. What to me, enjoy or more, just like that. You know, what say? They would develop and implement a new business model for dealing substantially with illegal mining, galamsey, by facilitating the establishment of small-scale mining companies to be owned by groups of young people currently engaged in galamsey. As someone working in an say, Waba, Tebia, Wako, Wata area, Tebia, I'm not telling Baba, one group by 50. Now, put or more into groups. Now, I find I'm a more. You can't say a quenya, I'm more. I register or company and come for ye galamsey juma. They will obey mining. I guess small scale. But no, legal. Ya mau license. Ya mau how training. How amubaya mining no. Abai a facilitate amamanya equipment. Eti money na moye no. A group of people, limited liability. Secure bebano, eyemunya na mache. Ene, some rent ya omututu to a SSA dinano. Omuya jumamobi. Opowa, near 100 Ghana, 200 Ghana. Now they go. But where the about the year one Kasawu company. I tete, Uja Juma, Oda Mubejani to get the free Mabeginano. You share it equally. This is the mindset. How are all my best of what I do? Now, Virgin say, we a young guy, now you put two together. Our company, the amount is here, I buy a boy and the right equipment at the amamo. Now, what's the many that we are better than one bed? No, Shagero. Me would GG our gather for me say, Opoku Abba, at the ama, a maintain. I'm about the Ghana ye. Eji, one more with the operation them one multi computer, everybody, and Ovin Gaho, and Ovin Gaho near the Adeno. It's up to them. And that is true. And they die. I don't know if I will make out with everything.
Now,
Waiting for Winnie and Summer Ababeto Yaponoso because so and our know so we are subscriber ya Omodia say over subscribe to the channel Sunset Hadia latest and hot news and Amede and Bremo. I think we are not like video give us a thumbs up. Mafi share my offer for so now when you be here now and somewhere and also I will Ghana Memo Hanum. Was over to me and share what you are fire and so we now I will comment boxing Mobete in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.